Alright, let's check out my new eBay center caps. Oh, pretty good shape. Sounds good. Okay, these are like mint. Holy crap. Yeah, these are Perfectenschlag. Oh, this guy read the journal. Right, actually that way. Smart guy. In excellent shape. Okay. These are mint. No restoration video needed. Okay, I'm out here today and I'm going to be installing center caps on these wheels, and as you can see, there's no like little hole or anything to pry these off like there are in some of the OEM ones. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to mount some of the OEM ones. And as far as aftermarket wheels go, these ones actually have a really nice subtle center cap that doesn't stick out, but I prefer a little plausible deniability that I'm running factory, that I'm running factory Audi wheels. So here's what I'm working with. See the part number. I'll try to screenshot that. I'll just put it on there with some text. But yeah. So this might seem ridiculous to some, the way I'm going to remove these, but like I said, there's no good way to pop that out. You have to take off the wheel and push it out. I don't want to mar the edge of my new wheels. And here's the center cap that's going on. You can see the silver is a little bit darker, but I'm not going to lose sleep over it. I have a 7/64 drill bit and a pick. So what we're going to do, drill out right in the middle of the R. Pop that off. And you can see it really didn't ruin the look. Sorry, it's out of focus. It really didn't ruin the look of the center cap. I mean, you'd never know if it was on the car. And we're going to try. Oh, okay. I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's going to be much better. So now, let's do the whole car. So what I'm finding is, what you saw me struggle with there, is some of the springs are a little weak. I got these used on eBay. As you can see, they're in like perfect condition. It's a 5B0601 170A. It's the part number they say to use. Some of the springs seem to be a little weak. See that gap? Just gotta stretch it out kind of a little bit, give it a little more memory. Put it back. And there, it snaps a lot tighter